Review of acne treatment products. Acne is a common skin condition that affects people of all ages. It occurs when hair follicles become clogged with oil and dead skin cells, leading to the formation of pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. While acne is not a serious medical condition, it can cause significant distress and self-consciousness, particularly in teenagers and young adults. Fortunately, there are numerous acne treatment products available on the market that can help to manage and reduce the severity of acne symptoms. In this review, we will discuss some of the most popular and effective acne treatment products available. Benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide is one of the most widely used over-the-counter acne treatment products. It works by killing the bacteria that cause acne and by helping to unclog pores. Benzoyl peroxide is available in a variety of strengths, ranging from 2.5% to 10%. While higher strengths may be more effective, they can also be more irritating to the skin. It is important to start with a lower strength and gradually increase as needed. One popular benzoyl peroxide product is the Proactive Solution 3-step system. This system includes a renewing cleanser, revitalizing toner, and repairing treatment, all of which contain benzoyl peroxide. Many users report significant improvements in their acne symptoms after using this product regularly. Salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is another common ingredient in acne treatment products. It works by helping to unclog pores and exfoliate dead skin cells. Salicylic acid is typically available in concentrations ranging from 0.5% to 2%. While it is generally well tolerated, it can be irritating to some people with sensitive skin. One popular salicylic acid product is the Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash. This cleanser contains 2% salicylic acid and is designed to be used daily to help prevent breakouts. Many users report that their skin feels clean and refreshed after using this product. Retinoids. Retinoids are a class of compounds derived from vitamin A that are used in acne treatment products to help unclog pores and reduce inflammation. They are available in both prescription and over-the-counter forms. Prescription-strength retinoids are typically more effective, but they can also be more irritating to the skin. One popular over-the-counter retinoid product is Differin Gel. This gel contains 0.1% adapalene, a type of retinoid, and is designed to be used once a day. Many users report significant improvements in their acne symptoms after using this product regularly. Azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is a naturally occurring acid that is derived from grains like barley and wheat. It works by reducing inflammation and killing the bacteria that cause acne. Azelaic acid is available